the second flag you will see it is Brazil. You will find that the flag is green, symbolic of Brazil's. It shows the flag, which is in the flag you will see the green part. It represents the lush field and forest. You will find that the large yellow diamond you can find here, which is representing the wealth of the gold of Brazil, wealth of gold in Brazil. And in the center, if you see that a blue celestial globe is there, the globe display a white equilateral band with a motto. You can see, if you can zoom, you can see Ordem e Progresso. It means the order and progress. Some clues are given here for the activity. Obviously, fill in the blanks questions comes. Which dance is famous in Brazil? So you should know the famous dance, Samba dance, is a famous dance in Brazil, and it is known as a coffee pot of the world. You might be knowing that it is called as a coffee pot of the world, the largest producer of a coffee in the world. And football is a very popular sport over here, and you have to tell me which year Brazil won Football World Cup. And beside this, I just want to tell you the green which is representing the lush green field. You will find large area is under the forest, and because of that, Brazil is called lungs of world. It is called. Because of Amazon basin and many other rivers are there, you will find dense forest is there, and due to that it is called lungs of the world. So let's see the location and extent of India in this part today, and in the part 2 we will study about Brazil. So when you see India, the location, first of all, let me tell you, India is 7th largest nation in the world. It ranks 7 in the area. Area is 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer. You will see the area is 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer. At last, I'll give you some. I'll add this note also so that you will remember this now figures and all. It ranks 7 in the world. If you see, Russia is the first area wise in the world, and second is Canada, third is China, fourth is America, that is USA, and fifth is Brazil, and sixth is Australia, and seventh is India. But even if you see that the Brazil and India, there will be 3 times of India. Brazil is very big nation area wise. It's nearly more than 87 lakh square kilometer. Here it is 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer. Right from south you will see and from the east and west, this entire location here in the entire area in Asian continent, it is located. Now when we study about the location, let me tell you the location where India is located. So you will see India is located in the northern hemisphere. You'll find from here equator is there 0 degree. Above equator 8 degree India starts, and it is located in the northern hemisphere. But if you see in the east and west, first of all you should know the upper part is north, the down part is south, toward the right side part is east of your book, and left side is west. I just want to tell you it is located in the northern hemisphere, but again in the sphere you will find east and west, it is toward the east. So you can say it is located in the northern hemisphere of the earth. And in Asia, the position of the India, it is the southern part of Asian continent. And in the southern part of Asian continent, you will see Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Maldives. These all nations come, and due to that, it is also called as Indian subcontinent. Let's see the location. If you see right from here, the equator, above equator 8 degree and 4 minute north it start, and on the globe you can find here, and it ends at 37 degrees 6 minute north latitude. latitude